Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So I know I must have done something to my neck, whether it's turning and looking at, the other monitor or whatever. Hey, getting old is no fun, right? So I love the TENS units. I've used them. You've seen some of the reviews I've done where you can take the pads, put them on your back, and then it uses the electric or, it uses battery, but electric just, stimulate muscles and relieve muscles. Really great. Love those units. I also have the back massager that you may have seen, where you hold it, you put pressure on it, has the shiatsu balls in it. Also, really, really great thing to use. And I've used that a bunch of times. It really loosens you up. But I was like, sometimes the TENS ones, those pads are a little bit crazy to use. And I've seen these smart neck massagers that are also using the TENS technology. And this right here is the SKG version of that. And it's called a smart neck massager. This is model 4098. Now it says it has thermostatic hot compress. I'm not really too sure what that is. Sounds like a scientific term for just kind of heat, right? Probably warms the area a little bit. And an ergonomic design. So that's really cool. It says 100% original. I don't know what that sticker really means, but nice looking box. So looking forward to really checking this out. I've seen a bunch of these on Amazon, a bunch of different brands. So this is the SKG brand. And so let's go ahead and take a look actually and see what's in the box here. So if I open this up, try to open it up. Decent sized box, nice. We got our, you can see it if the light will work with it. So it's our getting started guide. So it talks about what it feels like, how to set it up in a few different languages here. Then we have what looks to be almost like if you ever see the remote shutter remotes, like the Bluetooth one, we have a little remote, and it probably comes with the battery in there. I'll have to check that. We'll see if it works or not. So it must be, will work rechargeable. Or that's a battery. This is probably rechargeable, the unit itself. And then we have this. So it almost looks like headphones, kind of, right? If you would put them on, right? But don't do it like that. So for the most part, you got your on-off switch there. Comes with a little USB cable that you're going to plug in. And these are the 10 unit pads that are going to work on your head. So you put it around there, it stretches out a little bit, and then I guess that's going to provide not only the 10, the electric pulses, but then also some of the heat. So that's what's in the box, nothing else in there. So I'm really looking forward to checking this out. Again, this is the SKG Smart Neck Massager. Make sure to look for the demo and review of it. And thanks so much for watching. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Make sure to click like, subscribe, click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything we do, and we'll see you soon.